Hi everyone. So today I'll explain you how to install WSO2 Enterprise Integrator. So before starting this video, right? Those who are watching this video newly, kindly go to this channel, So Beyond Doubt, and subscribe this one. You will get more technical videos related to any project. So I think those who already watched, they have some idea about WSO2 API development. So those who are newly watching, kindly a humble suggestion, go through this part 1, part 2, part 3. So you will have some basic understanding about what is WSO2, means the part 1 video. Second part, you will learn how to install API manager and how to run API manager in your system. Third one, how we can change the default port to the new port and how we can change the callback URL for accessing the dev portal or publisher portal or admin portal. So let's start with the today video, which I already mentioned. We need to start WSO2 Enterprise Integrator. So before starting this one, those who are watching newly, I'll tell you the first part. Already we attached the 3 link. So this video itself also I will attach this EI link, so you can go through that. This is one their official Git. So Git directory, if you go through this one and WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, so here some prerequisite is required for running this product in your system. We need JDK 11 as they mentioned already, and we need integration studio. This is like second step, like for developing API we need this product, which I already some overview already explained in the part 1. Those who want to learn that one, they can use this third link. This is for integration studio. So upcoming video also I will explain you the installation process, this one, and Postman also. I think Postman everyone aware. So let's start how to run WSO2 Enterprise Integrator in our machine. So first of all, if you scroll down, there's some asset is here, right? It's still loading. Okay, here you can see there's some zip file is here, md5 sh1. So depends on your machine, you can download that one. So I'm using Windows. I already downloaded this one in this here. So you could see here, right? This is the file which I already downloaded from the Git. After extracting that one, you will get this kind of folder structure. These are EI folder subfolders. So how to start this one? So copy this path. Let me copy this one. So those who are using Windows, they already have our PowerShell or command prompt. You can choose any one of them. Let me use PowerShell. And here we need to enter to that directory, the WSO2 EI 6.6 directory, and we need to go to bin directory. So I'll tell you a few things. So in bin directory, if you see here, right, there is one integrator.bat file. One more is there, integrator.sh file. So .bat file we are using for Windows. .sh file we are using for Linux and Mac OS. So let's start how to run that one. Copy this whole path. This is my local path. Let me enter to that directory. So this is the WSO2 EI bin directory where all the configurations, product related configurations are there. So let's start that one. Use :/ here we need to use integrator.bat file. So start and stop, it depends on you want to use or not. Hit enter. It will first, every WSO2 product, it will first check your Java home path. So Java home path already I set C programming language, this one. Those who are watching newly, let me show you. I think already this one already aware. Let me refresh your previous knowledge. So go through programming files, Java. So here we need to use this path. Okay, this is our Java bin directory. Second one, it is showing Java_home, right? So same thing, you need to go to environment variable. In your system there is one system environment variable is there, right? Click that one. So here you will get one advanced option, environment variable. So here you need to there is one field is there, one option, system variable. In system variable, there is one I created already, Java home. Let me edit this one. Here you need to add Java underscore home, and you need to add the path which I copy from that local, right? You need to add here. Depends on your system, like you install this product in your same programming files or in different location. It depends on you. So that path you need to set here. So it will take some minute like to start the product. Meanwhile, we can wait for that much of time. Or else I'll do one thing. Let me skip this part. So it's better like instead of waiting and see like how to start and all. So it's better you can check at the end it is started or not. I'll explain you how you will know it is started or not. Okay. So here you could see like this already initialization started. It will validate your operating system and Java home path, Java version you could see, or Java VM also you can see, and where is the carbon home directory, Java template directory, and what is the user I'm using. These are some system related configuration. Product will fetch and it will print in the log. So here you could see, right? Okay. And this one also they have one Kappa event service. It's already successfully deployed. And here also carbon user store management database directory component. It's already activated successfully. User store. Okay. And at the last you could see here it is already generated the URL, carbon console URL. That means product already started. So few more XML file also you need to verify here. There is one message flow statics publisher XML file. This one also started. Like this is statics and this is for configuration. This is for static publisher. And this is also configuration publisher. This 4 XML file also all successfully started that one. These all are like system related XML file. So no need to worry about that one. So we need to do what? We need to copy this final URL. So this URL we need to use for accessing this portal. It will take some second to show you that interface, that carbon portal interface. So here you could see, right? So this is like the login portal is required for accessing this EI. And what is the user? So same like WSO2 default they set as a admin. Click sign in. So here you could see, right, it is giving you some interface like some by default option which is required like for EI development. I'll tell you some high level understanding. After develop any API means we need to deploy, right? So there is one carbon application field is here, right? So this field there is one add and list. So if you click list, if you deployed already some carbon like after deployed any API, the extension is .car file. So this .car file we need to add here. If you click add, we need to upload that car file here. Second one, after deployed any car file, how we know the API details? There is an API option is here, right? This API option. If you click this one, you can able to see what are all XML file we developed for this API. We can see that one here. And if we developed any sequence file, that sequence file we can see here. These are some default it's system related XML sequence file. If you developed any endpoint, like you added any endpoint in your source code, that one you can see here also. There is one more thing also, template. So in integration studio there's some option is there to build on a template, means for calling any template instead of adding lengthy source code. We are developing one template and that template we are calling in our source code. That details you can easily find here. And there's some additional option also there for XSLT and schema validation. So here you can see, right, registry. In registry there is one browse option is here. If you click browse, so this browse, there is one system. If you expand that one, expand configuration, we will see like in upcoming videos like where we can validate that one, that I will explain. So this is like video is for installation of this EI. I think hope everyone have some aware about how to install WSO2 Enterprise Integrator and some few features about this product. So for this one, like this much only, like those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through this channel, so beyond doubt. So here already upload part 1, part 2, part 3. Kindly watch this 3. Those who want to really think like this channel is helpful for you, kindly subscribe this one and share and like my video, so it will motivate me to make more videos. So thank you so much for watching my video.